Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 23rd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla pretty much is sideways day today. So we are up $5.13, 0.52%, closed at 999.11. Post market, we are down by $2. So let's look at what this looks like on the chart. If we don't look at the chart, we have no idea what's happening, even though we are looking at the price. Okay, so yesterday we had the nice green candle, super strong candle, and we stopped just below $1,000 and also below this first channel resistance here. So these are the two resistance that we are still fighting for today. So today we have a green candle. This is always nice to have a green candle. We have a higher low than yesterday and we have a higher high. We tried to break the two resistance and we went as high as 1040. Went as high as 1040. And look at how perfect this is. We came back down just slightly below 1000. Look at the volume here. So still significant volume here. The volume is increasing since March 15. Let's go see the 1 hour chart here. So the first candle of the day was right here. So pretty much everything was played in the first hour. So first hour, nice big green candle. We broke 1000 and we also broke the channel resistance, which was at 1025. Second hour, we closed even higher, then went sideways, then came down a little bit. And now the stock does not know what it wants to do yet. So on the 1 hour chart, stochastic at 68. So there's still enough power to keep going on. Let's try to do something like this. So I want to do it approximately here. This is the intraday support that we need to take a look at. And this is the channel that it's doing right now. We have a nice support at 987.84. We need to see if we are going to break out of this channel during the day. If we break out of it, and if we have stochastic going lower, then this can eventually affect the daily chart. So on the daily chart, everything's still good. The stochastic at 87, still quite strong. We have MACD still nice crossover bullish, getting closer to have the two lines of zero. RSI at 64, pretty nice. Getting close to 70. And we also have a DMI that's crossover bullish. In terms of support that are of note, we have 956 right here that was used December 6th, December 22nd, and so on. So we have that support, and we also have 940 that we know and that we just crossed recently. So these are the main two support that are into play. So let's see what is going to happen for the rest of the week. This is quite exciting. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I will tell you à la prochaine.